Congratulations on your purchase of Shoppy Shop's Vital Max Pain Patches. Our Vital Max Pain Patches should not be confused with prescription drugs that may have similar names. They are not designed to treat or cure any disease. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. That said, using Vital Max Pain Patches as a natural alternative can support your pain management program. They feature turmeric extract to support comfort, glucosamine for joint health, MSM for flexibility, zinc picolinate for soothing, and biofrequencies for balance, all working together to promote joint comfort and mobility. Managing discomfort can enhance results in weight management and other health improvement programs. The ingredients are most effective with consistent use, building accumulating effects over 90 days. You may notice increased feelings of well-being. Use this to improve eating and exercise habits. Track your daily water intake, plain water only, no soda or juice. Aim for 8 to 10 cups. Proper hydration maximizes patch benefits, flushes toxins, and reduces pain-causing inflammation, enhancing health maintenance results. Add modest exercise to improve circulation, boosting your program's effectiveness. Note your daily walking or activity level. If low, increase gradually. Consult your physician if you have pre-existing health conditions before starting. For application, place the patch on a hair-free area like shoulders, upper arm, or abdomen. Rotate locations daily. If adhesive residue remains, remove with warm soapy water and a face cloth. In summary, enjoy supported comfort, mobility, and well-being with consistent use, hydration, exercise, and proper application. Get the most from your Vital Max Pain Patches. Stay vibrant.